Everyone, welcome to Edupedia world. This is Varun Ganga. In our previous session, we have learned how to find squares of numbers which ends with the digit 5. But in this session, we are going to learn a new technique regarding how to find squares of two-digit numbers which have 5 in its tens place. So in order to explain the technique, at first you have to remember some steps. Number 1, you have to multiply the digits in units place. And if it is a single digit number, you have to prefix with 0. And you have to write on the right side below the horizontal bar. And the next step that you have to remember here is you have to multiply the digits that are in tens place. And in the tens place, no doubt, you will be having only the digits 5. You just multiply the digits that are in tens place and add the digit that is in ones place. Now, after getting the answer, you just write down that answer below the horizontal bar on the left side. Now, if you club both the answers, no doubt it becomes the answer for the square of numbers that you are going to find. I think you too remember these 3 steps while applying the technique in finding the squares of two-digit numbers which have 5 in tens place. Now, let us have a look of the technique with an example. The example that I am going to take here is 53 square. You note that 53 square can be written as 53 into 53. In our old traditional way, while doing multiplication, we used to write the numbers one below the other like this with a horizontal bar. We just apply the old traditional way. After writing the numbers, we just see the digits that are in ones place. So in the ones place, here we are having 3's. 2 3's. We just multiply those 2 3's. And the answer that you are going to get is 9. 9 being a single digit number, you just prefix it with 0. And you just write on that answer on the right side below the horizontal bar. Now you just move on to the next digits that are in tens place. Here you can have in tens place only 5's. Why? Because this is the technique you are applying to find the squares of two-digit numbers whose tens place is 5. So therefore, no doubt, you will be having only 5 in tens place. So now what you are going to do here is, you just multiply these two digits, that is 5 into 5, you will get 25. And you just add the digit that is in ones place. You will get 28. You just take down that 28 below the horizontal bar and write on the left side. And if you club both these answers, it will become the answer or the result or the product for 53 whole square. So therefore, you can say that 53 into 53 is equals to 2809. Step number 1 that you have to do here is, at first you have to multiply the digits in ones place and you have to write right below the horizontal bar on the right side. And remember one thing, if it is a single digit number, you just prefix it with 0. And the next step that you have to do here is, you have to multiply the digits that are in tens place. And you have to add the digit which is in units place to each. And you have to write this answer on the left side below the horizontal bar. And the third step is, you have to club both the answers. And it becomes the answer for the square of the number that you are finding here. And remember one thing, always you will be having 5 in only tens place. Why? Because it's just the technique that you are applying in finding the square of two-digit number which is having 5 in tens place. So therefore, no doubt that you will be having always 5 in tens place. And one more important thing that you have to keep in your mind is, while multiplying the digits in ones place, if you are getting the product a single digit number, you just prefix it with 0. Otherwise, you will get the wrong answer. I hope that you have enjoyed the class very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.